Guys, look at my stacked Phantom wallet. I have $7.2 million all made from launching meme coins, not trading them. No hype, no luck, just a strategy that works. Stick around and watch this video and I'll show you exactly how I did it step by step. Now there's a reason why I stopped trading and I started deving my own meme coins. That's because every single time I bought a meme coin on the blockchain, whether it's on the BNB chain or on the Solana blockchain, well, every single time I bought in, bro, I became exit liquidity and I lost all my money. And that's exactly when I realized deving your own coins, okay, is way more profitable than trading the actual coin. Because when you launch your own coins, you are in full control of the chart, the timing, and the entire narrative of your meme coin. You've got nothing to lose because creating coins on the blockchain is completely free. It costs literally $0, okay? You guys will see later on into this video. But bro, if you keep trading, okay, you will keep draining your wallet. Now into this video, bro, I am going to show you guys exactly how to make your very first meme coin, launch it, and potentially make some money. I personally make around $1,000 to around $5,000 every single day just from deving meme coins with completely $0, bro. And even though the market is kinda down and we are in a low volume market, well, this strategy works in every sorts of markets. And by the way, bro, this whole video is for educational purposes only. It's all fake, so just learn the strategy but apply it responsibly. Now most people, when they switch from trading to deving, or they just want to launch their first meme coin, well, most devs go to Pump.Fun. Now that's a first ever mistake for everyone because Pump.Fun is oversaturated. There's too many coins flooding the site every single minute and there's not enough visibility for your meme coins. Your coin has to reach a $85,000 market cap for it to even graduate directly onto the Radium Dex, which takes too much time, okay, and too much luck. So that's why I do not use Pump.Fun to dev coins, because you're wasting your time, you're wasting your money, and it's just shit. And that's exactly why I dev all my meme coins on createcoins.io, because createcoins.io is the best launchpad on YouTube right now. Well, not just YouTube, on X, just in general, right? Because all your meme coins will be immediately graduated onto the Radium Dex, which will be viewed to thousands and even tens and thousands of traders live from the fucking launch. Now, since it will be onto the Radium Dex directly, your launch gets more exposure, more volume, and more potential profit. You even control your whole liquidity pool all to yourself. That's why a bunch of people use this launchpad. Now, here's how to make a meme coin on this website. It's really simple. The first method is to start from scratch. So, you have to brand your token. So, I would highly recommend to go on X and look for a narrative that's popping, any type of news, politics, anything, right? For example, just in, Trump says US may completely cut income tax due to tariff revenue. That could be a really good narrative since it is some type of news, okay? Now once you have a good narrative, come back to the platform, add a quick name, create a symbol, then add a quick image for the meme coin logo, and just like that, your meme coin is custom created. But the second method, bro, is actually the most profitable by far. It's the fastest and it's the best one by far, and that's by copying trending coins. Now these tokens are already having heat, they have attention, and they all have traffic. They're proven to go viral already, and your job is to copy them and then profit from the narrative that already works. Now since all of these coins already work, you'll get instant buyers and early profits from the hype they've already built. That's why copying coins is a cheat code. I will do an example. And now for the moment that you've all been waiting for, it's time to make a meme coin, okay? Let's stop talking and actually go live into action. I want you to see how quick the whole thing really is. So first of all, make sure to connect your Phantom wallet to the website, just like this, right? Boom, and then click on refresh list, and let's look for a coin to copy. I am personally going to go for the Flork coin. It has a last buy 6 seconds ago, so it looks decent. Okay, in general, all these coins will work. Obviously, the higher the market cap, the better. Well, actually, I'm not sure, but yeah, we'll see. Crit coin, Then ignore the block from Phantom, it's completely normal. Just go through it, so proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be created in a couple seconds. Let's fucking go, come on. Boom. And if I go on SoScan before creating the liquidity pool, you guys can see that it's live on chain, everything works, it's all legit, and now it's time to create the liquidity pool for our meme coin. Now this step and this whole page is really easier than it looks. We're adding liquidity so your token instantly becomes tradable, okay, for new buyers onto the Radium DEX the second it goes live. Now for the token A, make sure you click on 90% just to put 900 million tokens into the pool. You are keeping 100 million tokens, and obviously you will be making money off of every single fee that buys and sells on your coin. Now right under for the amount token B, this is basically your first controlled buy. You are not spending money permanently, your SO is just powering the entire coin. 0.3 SO is the minimum, and when you pull out the liquidity later, you get every single bit of it right back inside your wallet. So we have nothing to lose, okay? I'm gonna put 0.35 SO, just a bit more to be safe, and then click on the create pool button right here. And obviously, bro, ignore the block, proceed, confirm, understand, confirm. After that, when you're done, click on the refresh button right below here. Scroll down and boom, the floor coin is on live. You have 900 million tokens put in and $0 in profits. But if you click on the refresh button right here on top, now we're up $143 USD. Now click on view on Photon to see the official chart on your meme coin or on Axiom. It's all up to you. Let me go on full screen for a better view of our meme coin, and let's see what happens, bro. The coin is now live. We're already up a couple $100. Come on, pump. I want to make some money, bro. Let's go. Come on. Oh crap, now the chart might look a big oh my god, bro, we're getting so many buyers, bro. What the fuck, I'm up so much money, bro. I want to dump the coin right now. Come on guys, I love diving meme coins for this exact reason. We're getting a shit ton of buyers, and that is how you profit from diving, bro. We created this coin for completely free, okay, and now we're getting all these organic buyers, okay, and yes, it is going to go higher and higher because more traders will be viewing this coin over the next 5 to 10 minutes. Come on, pump. 1.5k market cap, 1k liquidity, things are looking good. Come on, pump. We just made like 80 bucks right here, bro. That's exactly what we want. I'm going to give this coin some time for it to pump, and I will be right back when it's time to fucking dump this. Okay guys, I am back and we are pushing 3.5k market cap, and the overall chart is bullish, okay? It's doing higher highs, higher lows. The chart looks good, but now it's time to make some money on the 1.5k liquidity. So come back to create coins.io. Then obviously, bro, click on the classic refresh button. And now, as you guys can see, we are going to receive around $1.7 thousand in USD. Click on the minus button, then do 100% right here. Click on remove the money. Then, let's see. Once again, bro, ignore the block. Proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you dive meme coins and make some generational wealth. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet for proof, boom! $1.7 thousand went straight inside my Phantom wallet. That's exactly how you dive meme coins and make some bread, bro. It's all real. Look, you guys gotta tap in with this new method. And by the way, bro, if you want to win 3 SO like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and join my free Telegram group and Discord group down below, bro, and you will be entered. Peace out.